What's up guys, we're back again with a new project, this Cadillac XTS. We are gonna continue with this project. Somebody started but they couldn't finish it, so we're gonna finish it and we're gonna make it look amazing. Okay, let's start with the project. Okay, the car is clean. I already washed it. Everything is clean. But it does have a lot of mistakes. One thing, I'm happy that somebody tried to do it, because they tried to start their first wrap, and it's cool that you want to learn how to wrap. Okay, but remember, always leave extra material so you can tuck it on these areas. Tuck the wrap on these areas and these areas. Okay, so I know it's the first time somebody did this. It's okay, I understand. And also, if you are learning, buy extra material in case you do a mistake. You can replace the panel and put a new wrap, because and this time we don't have enough to do everything again. So what I have to do, probably I will do patches. I hope I can have an extra piece so I can redo this part on the top, because this one is not that good. So I can they put a seam here. Okay, so I might use this seam to put an extra piece in that area. I hope I have extra material enough for that. But if you want to learn, I have my training. The link is on the description down below. But remember, if you try to learn, buy extra material. In case you do a mistake, you can remove the wrap and do it again. Okay, so one roll is enough, like a 5 feet by 60 feet is enough for a small car. A car like this, buy a roll and a half. Okay, a car like this one, this sedan, is bigger. Okay, but well, I'll see how I can fix some of the mistakes, but unfortunately I have to use patches because there's not enough material to remove everything and do it again. Yeah, in here I might just lift it and put a patch in the middle. It's not gonna be visible. Yeah, in here I'm gonna try to lift this, put another patch, but it's gonna look great. You will see it. Okay, you will see it. I'm gonna make it look good. Probably the only place that if I don't have enough, this is the only bad thing, is gonna be on the wrap, this one. Because already lifted here, and maybe there's dirt already behind this wrap. Okay, I probably might cut it here and here. If I don't have enough material, cut it here and put a small patch in there. That's the only way. I wish I had more material to do it again, but let's do it. Let's continue with this. Okay guys, this side is already done, as you can see it. Already fixed some area, this area. I made it look a little bit better. The doors are done, the bottom part is done. Here, have to tuck it a little bit better over there. Let me show you the inside. Look at the wrap all the way here. The top looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Everything is good. Everything is good. Here, I still need to fix some areas from the trunk. Okay, but all this side, I just did this side, but it's cool. So the next step is to do the side mirrors, do the roof and the rear bumper. But for the front bumper, I'm almost out of material, so I will have to do this in pieces. So it's gonna be one piece here, it's gonna have a seam. I'm gonna try to hide it here, and I'm gonna put another seam over there. Okay, and also we'll fix the other areas, like these areas. I'm gonna fix it, but let's continue with this. We're almost done. Okay. Okay guys, the car is ready. Let's see how it looks outside. Let's do it. Okay, the car is done. It looks amazing. The color is purple and the brand is Vinyl Frog. Okay, the link for everything is gonna be in the description of the video down below. If you wanna learn how to do this, the link is gonna be there too. But let me show you. I did this side. Remember, this one was already wrapped on the hood, trunk, and the other side, and fenders. So I did this side, but I fixed some mistakes that this one had before. So as you can see, this one, the one I did, is perfect. But I fixed in here because this one was showing a little bit of white, so I put an inlay in there. Even here I put an inlay here. I did the side mirrors. These are hard because I had to put inside here too. Man, it was hard. And also for this piece, oh, it's lifting here. Oh, okay, this one was bad, so I put an inlay here too, an inlay here too. That's the only way. The correct way of doing this is removing this and put it on a wrap, but the customer, he only wanted me to wrap the parts that wasn't wrapped, so that's what I did. Okay, you can see this one was already wrapped. This one I couldn't fix it. I already put a lot of heat, but still it bubbles up again, so there's nothing I can do. but the rest looks great. Let me know in the comments if you like purple. I think it looks nice. This purple looks like a closer to midnight purple, but a little bit more like a pink, I think, or purple. It's a lighter, I think, purple, because I have seen other midnight purples that are darker than this one. Okay, but it looks cool. It looks like a totally different car, as you can see it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Questions, put in the comments. Your opinion, put in the comments. Okay, I have a training if you want to learn how to do this. Link on the description of the video. Tools, material, everything on the description of the video down below. I also have videos how to do this on my channel. Check them out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, this content, subscribe to the channel, like the video, support the channel please. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. What's up guys, and this is the giveaway. This time we're gonna do it a little bit different because it's gonna take a little bit more time. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 winners for this giveaway. Okay, and the 3 winners, we're going to announce them on June 30 of this month. Okay, 3 winners on June 30 of this month. Okay, and the first camera we're gonna give is this one over here. That's the first camera. The second camera is this one over here. That's the second camera. And the third camera is this one over here. Okay, so it's gonna be 3 winners for this giveaway. On June 30 we're gonna announce the winners. Okay, so the rules are super simple. Okay, you have to be subscribed to this channel, Shine Gadget, and you have to put a comment on this video or any of the videos till June 30. Okay, you have to like this video or any of the videos till June 30, and on June 30 we're gonna announce the winner of the giveaway. Okay, this one is gonna be amazing. 3 winners, so 1 for each week, but we're gonna announce all 3 on June 30. All right, so thank you for watching. Good luck guys. Remember, like, subscribe, and put a comment. Okay, and also one more very important thing. This is only for the USA. Sorry about the international subscribers, but this is only for the USA. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck. God bless you, and see you on the next video.
Gospel isn't really about what I want or what I done. It's way better than the things I set my eyes on. You kept it real with me, you been here since the mile one. Before the world you said I'm destined as your child. So wherever I run, let me walk along the path you put your light on. God, you see behind the faces that I tried on. Yeah, that's why